Hello, I'm Dragos, and in this video we're going to check some of the free tools that can help you create some images for your, let's say, YouTube thumbnails, or maybe for any other social media post or blog post that you may have. And this tool I am using them so I can create some interesting thumbnails. So for instance, if we are going to check my YouTube channel, in here for instance you'll see I have some videos, and for instance this one, the thumbnail was created with such a tool. And if you are going to, for instance, see in here, you will see that you have two thumbnails in here, and the second one was created with the help of AI, basically the CG Dream, and this is done for free. For instance, you see in here that I've created an image like this. In here I've just created an icon for a website that I have. So basically these tools will allow you to create images for free. You have like a number of images that you can create every day. And basically, for instance, what I am doing when I want to create an YouTube thumbnail, I have in here my website and I have some tools in here. So for instance, let's say that I want to create a YouTube thumbnail for a video, and I have the thumbnails ideas in here, and in here you just need to put your topic. So for instance, in here I have created a video with the P4 and all on how you can run it on your Mac Mini M4 Pro, and this idea generator, it will just go and provide you the thumbnail ideas. Basically this is just to help you like create a more engaging thumbnail for your YouTube video. And right now the AI it's creating the things, and you have some ideas in here. So for instance, you see that you have like 5 ideas, and in here you have the background and things like that. You have the main image, and you have the text and some additional elements like the small icons that I've added. So again, you have the idea too. This one doesn't look too good. Other additional elements looks good. Non-blue accents. So main image is a 3D render brain mode of circuit boards working with Mac Mini and something like that. And what I am usually doing to create the image, and like this we are going also to check what the tools are offering. So in here you see that the first one that I've just found out about it, it's called the CG Dream. I'm not using it for a long time, but in here you see that you have like an options, and every day you have like 100 credits that you can use for free, and this will help you generate, I don't know, about, let's say 5 images. And in here, this is the interface. You can create an account for free with them. So basically this is the main interface. Start generating for free. Can do it like that. And in here you have access to their galleries, and you can browse some of the images in here. And let's say for instance we want to generate an image, and to do that we have in here, for instance, we have the options to put our prompt, and in the right side in here you have the options to choose the aspect rotation. So basically it will be 60 by 9. In here you have the number of images. So you see that the generate is increasing, and I will let only one right now. And in here I use flux with quality, and I will let everything like this. So right now this should generate an image with 69, and in here I can put my prompt, and in here I will let it just like this. So for you to see, you have also some filters that you can add in here. So for instance, if you are liking something like this with a robot, with things like that, or futuristic and so on, you can choose and it will just add them in here, and you can put the options in here how much to take from that. And right now you see that it will take about 21 cents to generate this image. So I will let it, maybe this is not the best one, but in here you'll see how you can generate this free image. So right now it will start generating an image. It will be adding you into a queue, and you will need to wait for this queue. Basically, this is a free account, and that's why it's takes some time to generate these free images. And we are going to came back in here. Okay, right now I see that the generation is in progress, so right now we should have the image starting to be generated, and you see that the number of credits has decreased. And afterwards we can see how you can upgrade this. Also, you have a lot of other things that you can do with this CGDream.ai tool. It's quite nice, and you can even create 3D models. I haven't tested everything in here, but yeah, you can do that. So in here you see that the image has been generated. So right now you have something like a Mac Mini, you have a brain that it's coming out of it. So this image looks quite good. The only thing that you need to do is to go and add your text in here, and Mac Mini text, I had it in here, but it didn't add it. So, but yeah, you can add the text very easily with any tool that you have. So in here afterwards you can just download this. You have the other options in here. For instance, change a part of an image. You can increase the image resolution if you want, but you will need to use additional credits, and so on. So this tool is quite nice, and it's offers a lot of things. So you see in here you have like the 3D model that you can load, and also, for instance, you can get rewards with this, and if you post about it you can have some credits. I didn't do that. And the other thing that you can do in here is to upgrade. And if you are upgrading, you see that in here you have the yearly billing. It will increase the number of credits that you have, and you have like 10,000 credits that you'll have monthly, and you have also other things that you will be able to do. And yeah, this CG Dream application, it's quite nice. I've just found about it, and it will help you create some interesting images from my point of view. And the second one that I'm using, and this I'm using for a long time, it's Leonardo AI, and it had some updates in the latest version. And in here again you can check and see the other images that others are creating, and you can go and create your image. For instance, let's go and see how we can create our images. It has some nice tools also in here. In here you can draw something, for instance, so you have a lot of flexibility also with this one. But let's go and see the image creation, and in here you have the model that you can choose. So I will test both of these things. The Phoenix one is the last one that has been released from their site. I will let the prompt enhanced automatic, style dynamic, contrast it will be medium, and in here you have the fast only options. You need to pay for other. I will put the 60:9, and in here I will let the medium quality, and I will generate, let's say, so it only let you generate 4 images with this. And okay, let's try and generate one, and let's put the prompt in here, and I'll put the flow state like this. Basically this will enhance the prompt, and right now the image should start to be generated. And in here you see you have like the lot of images that has been generated in here with this flow state that you can use. And you see it added also the text. So Leonardo, it's better on creating or listening to the prompt, and in here you can choose the one that you like. And let's go and see the Klaxing mode. So if you are, for instance, wanted to use the Klaxing mode, I will just hit something like that for you to check. but I will prompt you to use the flow state because it's better. Let's see what this one is generating. And this is taking some time. Again, you see Leonardo Phoenix 1. And in here we have the 4 images. And for the 4 images you have 24 points. You see in here that the image it's generated. These things are not looking bad. Again, you need to go and generate them as you like. And in here, for instance, let's do it again and see how it's telling the flow mode. And in here you can again choose the vibe, so you can go and change some of the things that you want to choose. So I will choose something like sci-fi because I like sci-fi for this. Lightning, so let's see, I will choose something foggy. I will choose the automatic shot type. Let's see, something like epic. Okay, color theme, let's see, deep teal. Put again something like that. Right now, let's hit generate again. And let's see what images we have right now with all of these things. So you see that right now it try to use what we have chosen in there. It use some of the fog in there. You have the options to choose that. And for instance, let's go and see. You see that the text is not quite good. Mac Mini AI Genius. Oh, so this one it's having the good vibe. And let's go and open this, and right now you see that you have the original, and this one it's like that. And you can go and upscale. Let's see if this is working. You need to unlock the premium for this, but you can download it and you can start using it in your project. Again, if you are searching online, you have maybe some other options that you can go and upscale these images for free. And right now, Leonardo, let's see how much it costs. So you see that right now I have consumed almost all of my credits. And let's see if we're trying to upgrade. And in here again, you have some similar pricing, pay per year or monthly. In here you have that, you see that you have the 8,500 credits. You have the options to roll over the credits, and you have some other nice things. So yeah, these two tools are quite good in providing you some help to generate like images, and you can alter them afterwards. If you know other tools that can help you generate images, please don't forget to let a comment down below in the video and tell us about these tools so everyone to